How's it going? Danny from American River Race Hardware. Today we're doing the Halo Versa 16 pizza oven. Great thing about this is 2D batteries, spins the Lazy Susan for your pizza. Propane tank, either the small Coleman style or a 20-gallon, will both fuel it. So no matter what situation you're in, camping or your backyard, this will fit that need pretty well. So let's get it going. We have a pepperoni here. We're just using a quick signature cafe pizza from Safeway here. Just decided to unbox it and do this kind of last minute. As you can see, it cooks pizza. This lid does open up if you choose to do so. Center that guy a little bit. Boom. I have not put any kind of cornmeal or anything on the stone, just put them right on after seasoning it. Seemed to work just fine, nothing stuck to it whatsoever. And I'm gonna go medium heat on these small thin pizzas. The first one I did was on high. Got a little dark, still good, not bad. Cut it down to medium, which brought around the 750 mark, and let it stabilize there. And I feel it came out with a much better result crust here. So on this pizza anyway, 750 on medium seemed to be the trick. You're gonna run into different doughs, some oil, some oilless, so sugar content, there's so many elements that are going to change that. So if you have a preferred method or way, you'll have to adjust temperature after a couple trial runs, but once you get it, duplicating it won't be a problem with this. It's very, very stable. It runs very consistently when set. We'll be doing it here tomorrow at the store, American River Race Hardware in Folsom, California. Come check it out. It has a button here, stops Lazy Susan. Start it. Self-igniting. Infrared heating pad down there to get the stone nice and hot. U-shaped burner to get your top nice and browned up and your crust rising. If you have a crust, we didn't really go with the crustless pizza this time. But yeah, come down, check it out. We got some more in hand, $5.49 retail. Come grab one up.